Those are just digits until you give them meaning. For us, they represent last quarter's growth, achieved despite every challenge. People ask how we did it. It comes down to clarity and putting the right people in the right place.
Today we are talking about sora2 app, one of the most powerful AI video tools available right now. If the application isn't available in your country, there is a simple way to get it. Just switch your country to the United States. In the video, I will show you how to change your location. After that, download the app normally and you are ready to start. Once you open sora2, the first thing you will see create video section. Here you can enter your prompt, just short description of the video you want. Sora will read your text and generate a full high quality video from it. So first of all, important feature is create cameo. This option allows the app to use your face and your voice inside the video. You take a quick selfie and Sora will recognize your face and use it inside different style you want. It's perfect for cinematic shot or even business style video. After choosing your style by prompt, just hit generate. Sora start processing and create a full video in a few seconds. You can preview the result, tweak your prompt, and try different prompt to get the perfect look. Sora2 gives you a professional videos with almost no editing. It's a great tool. It's a great tool for a creator, marketer, and anyone who wants fast, creative content. That's everything you need to get started with sora2 and create your own AI videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI tips and tools. And if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. I always check them and reply. See you in the next one.